What's up, guys? I've seen some mind-blowing tech, but this takes it to a whole new level. We're about to dive into the world of AI robots that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From humanoids that can mimic our expressions to robotic dogs designed for space travel, the future is here and it's absolutely insane. So let's check out these incredible machines that are changing the game in ways we never thought possible. First up, we've got Ameca and the X-Robots, and guys, these are not your average androids. Ameca is this incredibly lifelike humanoid that's designed as a platform for AI and machine learning. The way it mimics human expressions and movements is just mind-blowing. I mean, you look at this thing and it's like staring into a mirror from the future. Now the X-Robots take this to another level. These guys specialize in real-time replication of human expressions. It's crazy how detailed and nuanced their facial movements are. We're talking about micro-expressions that even trained humans might miss. But here's where it gets a bit wild. This tech raises some serious ethical questions. The potential for misuse when robots can mimic humans this accurately is both exciting and a little scary, to be honest. It's like deepfakes, but in real life. Alright, let's talk about Neo, Panda UU, and Cloud Ginger. These robots are all about service, but each in their own unique way. Neo is this impressive humanoid that's designed to handle objects, sense its surroundings, and communicate. It's like having a super capable assistant that never gets tired. The object recognition and manipulation here is on another level. Think of the most advanced robotic arms in manufacturing, but way more versatile. Then we've got Panda UU and Cloud Ginger, and these two are pretty wild. They're designed for tasks in service industries, but they've also got this cultural application angle. You could walk into a hotel and be greeted by a robot that not only helps with your luggage, but can also perform traditional dances or tell you about local customs. Now this next one is seriously cool. Meet Laika, the AI-powered robotic dog designed for space travel. This isn't just some fancy toy. Laika is built to monitor astronauts' health and provide assistance in space. It's like having a super smart four-legged medical officer on board your spacecraft. The sensors on this thing make our current fitness trackers look like toys. The implications of this are huge. Space missions are incredibly demanding, both physically and mentally. Having a companion like Laika that can keep an eye on vital signs, help with tasks, and maybe even provide a bit of companionship could be a game changer for long-term space exploration. It's wild to think that the future of space travel might include robotic pets. The AI here is learning and adapting in real time, way beyond what we see in consumer tech. Alright, let's talk Tesla. You know Elon Musk doesn't do anything small, and their second-generation humanoid robot is no exception. This thing is designed to revolutionize manufacturing, construction, and even tackle domestic chores. It's like they're trying to build the ultimate all-purpose robot. The neural networks in this bot are processing information faster than any consumer-grade AI we've seen. What's really impressive is the range of tasks this bot can handle. We're talking about a machine that could potentially work on a factory line, help build houses, and then come home to do your laundry. The actuators on this thing are engineered for some serious heavy lifting and precision work. It's crazy to think about how this could change the workforce in our daily lives. The power-to-weight ratio here is insane. It's like having the strength of an industrial robot with the agility of a gymnast. Now let's bring things a bit closer to home. There's this unnamed home robot that's seriously cool. It's small, friendly, and designed to be your personal home assistant. We're talking about a little bot that can monitor your home, take care of your pets, and connect with all your other smart home gadgets. The integration with IoT devices here is seamless. It's like if your smart speaker grew legs and got a massive IQ boost. This is where AI and robotics start to become a part of our everyday lives. You come home, and this little guy has already adjusted the temperature, fed your cat, and let you know if any packages arrived. It's like having a super smart, always-on roommate that never complains about doing chores. The potential for making our lives easier is pretty insane. The machine learning algorithms here are constantly improving, adapting to your habits in a way that makes current smart home tech look primitive. Let's dive into the tech that's powering a lot of these advancements. First up, Covariant AI. These guys are developing AI software that allows robots to operate in complex environments. We're talking about robots that can adapt and learn on the fly, especially in areas like warehouse automation and logistics. It's the kind of tech that could revolutionize how we handle goods and materials. Then there's Neuralink, and this is where things get really wild. They've successfully implanted a brain chip in a paralyzed patient. Yeah, you heard that right, a brain chip. The potential here is huge, but it's also raising a lot of eyebrows, especially with the FDA scrutinizing their animal experiments. It's a perfect example of how these cutting-edge technologies are pushing not just technical boundaries, but ethical ones too. We're talking about a level of brain-computer interface that makes current EEG tech look like we're reading minds with a potato. Alright, let's talk about some robots that are changing the game when it comes to movement. First up, Atlas. This bot has been redesigned with electric actuators, making it quieter and way more agile. It's like watching a gymnast but made of metal and circuits. The fact that they're looking at commercial applications for this tech is pretty exciting. Then we've got the Unitree G1, and this thing is insane. It's an affordable humanoid robot with some serious stability and movement skills. We're talking parkour-level agility here. The fact that this kind of technology is becoming more accessible is huge. It opens up so many possibilities for research and development. The algorithms controlling its movements are processing and adapting faster than a pro gamer's reflexes. The AI and robotics race is going global, and it's intense. Sanctuary AI is developing these general-purpose robots using Azure Cloud and some seriously advanced AI techniques. Then we've got the Falcon series coming out of the UAE. These robots are next level with text-based and detailed description generation capabilities. It's a clear sign that countries are investing heavily in AI and robotics, seeing it as key to future economic and technological dominance. Last but definitely not least, we've got the Xbot. This thing is pushing the boundaries of what robots can do physically. The way it moves on challenging terrain is it's unreal. But here's where it gets a bit scary. This level of advancement is raising some serious questions about AGI development and the potential risks. We're entering a new era of robotics, and it's both exciting and a little unnerving. The decision-making algorithms here are operating at a level that's approaching human intuition. Wow, what a ride through the cutting edge of AI and robotics. From humanoid robots that can mimic our every expression to AI-powered space dogs and brain chips, the future is unfolding right before our eyes, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. As we push these boundaries, we're not just creating amazing tech, we're reshaping our world and what it means to be human. It's an exciting time, but it also comes with big responsibilities. Thanks for diving into this crazy world of AI with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.